Hey everybody, what up? Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look I created inspired by Ariana Grande with her 34 plus 35 music video. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. I am gonna pop up a picture here of the exact makeup. In case you haven't seen the video, you definitely need to. It is so cute. But here is the picture of the makeup that I'm inspired by for this look. The actual makeup artist, obviously it's on Ariana Grande, but the actual makeup artist is Michael Anthony. Shout out to you, man, because she looks amazing. I love how I got inspired to make this. So yeah, so anyway, without further ado, let's get into the tutorial. Alright, so I'm using the Makeup by Mario Master Mattes palette today, and I'm starting out with this neutral brown here. I wanted to keep the crease pretty neutral to start, just to kind of make the shape. Then I'm taking this warm brown kind of all over the lid. I noticed that the makeup look that she has is on the warm side, so that is what we're gonna do. Just putting this all over the lid, building up some nice color here. See, I'm really working this all across the eye. Then that same color on a smaller, denser brush. Concentrating it right in the inner crease almost. And then I'm picking up this true red brown here with an even smaller brush, and I'm really drawing out that line that's gonna go above our graphic liner. Forming the shape that I want it to be. Obviously I already did the other eye, so I had a good idea, but it took me a while on the first eye. Then I'm just blending that out and really kind of making sure everything is blended together here. I'm going to take the lightest shade with a pencil brush and just highlight my inner corner area here. Then I'm taking that same neutral brown that we did in the crease, and I'm just putting that under my eye here. I wanted to keep the under eye pretty light. Then I'm taking my liquid liner from Makeup by Mario as well, and I am drawing out our winged liner. And I'm taking this Makeup by Mario pencil liner in brown for my waterline. Then I'm taking this kind of gray silver crayon liner. I can't think of the name of it right now, but it'll be in the description box for you guys. And I'm tracing out the shape that I want the rest of the graphic liner to be. Then I'm taking this glitter liquid shadow. I'm pretty sure it's from Stila, but again, I'll have it in the description box for you. And I'm kind of picking it up with an angled liner brush and going over the shape that we created. Really taking my time here with this. Then I'm taking this Artist Couture illuminating powder in Cocoa Bling, and I'm spraying the brush. This is a separate angled liner brush, and I'm stamping it down over everything, just adding a little extra luminosity and shine, as you guys see. And then I'm gonna clean up the liquid liner with the liquid liner. Then I'm gonna apply some mascara and lashes. These are Lilly Lashes Synthetic in the style Chicago. I'm using Desi X Katy Highlight in Fuego and also Artist Couture Gold Digger. I'm going in with Morphe Sweet Tea Liner. You guys already know the drill. I like to shade my lips in, and then I'm using Huda Beauty Demi Matte, and I can't think of the name of this color, but I will have it in the description box for you. I'm pretty sure it's like She's a Boss or something like that. But yeah, what do you guys think? Yeah, as Ari would say. All right, you guys, that completes this makeup look. What do we think? I honestly am so obsessed. I had to trust the process with this one, especially because I did one eye beforehand and was only showing you guys the other eye. I knew it was gonna be a little more complex. Comment below, what do you think? Per usual, I will list all the products I use in the description box below, and if you guys do have any questions, be sure and let me know in the comments. You can also DM me on the gram. You know your girl's active on there too. Please make sure you are subscribed to my channel. It honestly supports me so much, and I would really love to hit 4K, so let's do that. Other than that, I will catch you guys in my next video. So thanks so much for watching, and I will see you guys later. Bye!